Many farmers believe satellite technology is only useful for large farms. But what if we told you that even 1-acre plot can benefit from precision farming? Today, we're showing how satellite-powered insights are helping small farmers make smarter decisions, reduce costs, and improve productivity. How satellite farming works. One of the most common questions we receive is, can a satellite actually monitor my small farm? The answer is yes. With Sat2 Farm, you simply mark your field boundary on the app. Whether your plot is 1 acre or several acres, our system uses satellite imagery and advanced analytics to monitor your field. There's no need for expensive hardware installations or complicated equipment. Everything starts with the smartphone already in your hand. Instant insights. Once your field is mapped, Sat2 Farm provides valuable insights into soil conditions, crop health, and moisture status. Traditional testing methods often require multiple visits, laboratory analysis, and waiting periods. Satellite-based analytics help farmers access field intelligence quickly and at a fraction of the cost, making precision agriculture accessible for smaller landholdings. Why small farmers benefit most? For small-scale farmers, every input matters. Every bag of fertilizer, every irrigation cycle, and every pest control decision impacts profitability. When you can identify areas that need attention early, you avoid unnecessary expenses and reduce losses. Instead of applying resources uniformly across the entire field, you can make informed decisions based on actual field conditions. Early detection of crop stress, nutrient deficiencies, and moisture variations allows you to act before small issues become major problems. Technology for every farmer. Precision farming is no longer limited to large agricultural operations. Today, farmers of all sizes can use satellite technology to make data-driven decisions and manage their fields more efficiently. The goal is simple: reduce waste, improve resource use, and support healthier crops. Ready to see what satellite insights can do for your farm? Download the Sat2 Farm app and map your field today. If you have questions about your plot size or farming needs, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Satyukt Analytics for more smart farming solutions.